NSID students begin with the Devar Nama, Bhagyata Lakshmi Baramma set to Ragam Sri and Talam Adi, composer Purandaradasar and choreography by Daya Ravi. This is a famous song describing Lakshmi, the goddess of fortune. The goddess is welcomed in everyone's home for showering her blessings with prosperity. Here, Saint Purandaradasar sings, O Lakshmi, do come dancing gracefully with your anklets, making the jingling sound. Come to us like butter emerging out of buttermilk when it is churned. Come and shower on us a rain of gold and fulfill our aspirations. Come with the brightness of countless number of rays of the sun. Come and bless us, O Devi, who has taken incarnation as Sita. O lotus-eyed Devi, who is the pride of Mahavishnu, come and appear before us wearing the shining golden bracelets on your wrists and the auspicious vermilion mark on your forehead. O consort of Purandara Vithala, you shine auspiciously in the hearts of great sages. O Queen of Alagiri Ranga, we worship you every Friday with sweet relishes made out of ghee and sugar. Dancers are Aditi Kubba, Divya Bhatt, Reshma Ramesh, Vipula Tope and Madhuri Kola.
Lakshmi Varam
Lakshmi
ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕುಂಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಪಂಕಜ ಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣರ ಶ್ರೀಸದರಾಗಿ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಕಾರು ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರದ ಪೂಜೆಯ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕಡೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗದ ಚೊಕ್ಕು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನರಾಗಿ. ಅಕ್ಕಡೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಳಗಿರಿ ರಂಗದ ಚೊಕ್ಕು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನರಾಗಿ.
They conclude with Amma Amma in Ragam Revati and